Start.
Now just do this and this. Few times. All the way down. Get you down this again. Whatever you can. Very good. Okay. We'll just jump up and down. Bending and straightening. Okay. Okay, now walk back. Up. This is 3 months after the left knee ACL reconstruction and partial medial meniscectomy. आप पीछे पीछे आ जाओ वापस. हाँ. Yes. Walk fast. थोड़ा jogging जैसा. Walk fast. Very nice. Good. Show the knee. Look at the knee. Scar देखा है? Very nice. Good.